I hope all is well with everyone. Today we're making a simple homemade clean mayonnaise and one of the recipes that you can make it with. Let's go. Our ingredients: olive oil 2 cups, salt, vinegar 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons mustard is organic, and lemon juice 3 tablespoons. And my honey, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. And I have here 4 eggs. Yeah, we'll see. 4 eggs. I have here my tuna fish and some whole wheat bread. You add your lemon juice, everything here together. And the salt to your taste. You mix all together, little by little. And mix them with the man, kakran. I'm cutting the eggs, guys. It's getting thicker. Your tuna fish, adding the eggs, the peppers. I just want it hearty a little bit. Mix all together. You add your mayonnaise. I love mayonnaise. Let me eat, okay? Then a little bit salt. Put it in airtight container and put it in your fridge. Toast your bread and then you put it and add butter to toast the bread. You add it. You can slice it. Here we are. So this is how I eat mine. I don't like mine in the bread. So anyhow, then you add your juice, tea.